Hey friends, who's hungry? Whether you're hosting game night, tailgating, watching a football game, or simply want to treat yourself to something rich and tasty, this Baked Cajun Catfish Dip is a guaranteed crowd pleaser. Preheat the oven to 350 degrees Fahrenheit. Arrange 2 catfish fillets on a prepared baking sheet. Season both sides of the catfish with 2 tablespoons of Cajun seasoning. Bake the catfish for 20 minutes or until the fish flakes easily with a fork. Chop the fish into bite-sized pieces and set aside. In a medium mixing bowl, combine 8 ounces of cream cheese, 3/4 cup of Parmesan cheese, 1/4 cup of mayonnaise, 1 teaspoon of dried mustard, 2 sliced green onions, 1 clove of minced garlic, 1 teaspoon of shrimp oil, and 1 teaspoon of Worcestershire sauce. Whisk the ingredients together until they are well combined. Gently fold in the chopped catfish. Season the mixture with salt and pepper to your preference. Spread the mixture into a baking dish or pie plate. Top the dish with 1/2 cup of Parmesan cheese. Bake for 30 minutes until the cheese is melted and the dip is bubbly. Serve the dip hot with crackers or crostini. Looking for more recipes? Watch my next video and be sure to subscribe to my channel.